The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to navigate the Vulcan interface for users. The first step would be to log into the Vulcan account. The URL to log in is portal.vulcan-edu.com/login. Once you typed in the URL, you will enter the Vulcan sign-in page. Enter your credentials with your email address, your password, and then go ahead and sign in. These credentials were provided to you through an email invite from your instructor. After logging in, you will then see the results page. This results page will allow you to track your learning path, your progress, and to see your global success rate. Let's highlight a few things on this interface. First, at a glance, I can see my class name. I can also see what my success rate is. And then look over here to the right, I can see which current training path I'm on. In the middle of the page, you have a graduated display of your progress over time from each exercises on the Wave NG simulation. If you hover over any of the data points, you will get more information and you will see your score as well as the date over time. That's pretty handy if you need it. If you look on the right-hand side, there is a second radar chart. This represents the scores of the overall skills practiced within the exercises. Hover over the legend for more information. In this particular example, the user was practicing speed as well as accuracy and also some resilience. Hover over those data points and you will see more information as well. Next, we're going to navigate down the page to the exercise history section. Here you're going to see a listing of all the practiced exercises on the Wave NG simulation. It starts with a view of the date, the actual name of the exercise, the level, the score, the attempt or how many attempts, duration, and also those three dots will give you more details of the exercises so you can drill down and explore more. Let's take a look at one of these exercises. You can look at the details either by clicking on the name of the exercise or those three dots I just mentioned. Let's go ahead and click on the name of this particular exercise. The attempt details are shown here in the title, 135 pipe 2F root pass backhand. This was a 75% score. We practiced distance, we practiced speed. There is no data for trajectory, travel angle, or work angle, which means they were not practiced in this particular exercise. To return back to the results list, you're going to click on this button and it will take you right back to where you left off. This will help you monitor and adjust your learning over time when you're using the Wave NG simulation. Another thing to note, once you log into your Vulcan account, you will have access to your profile. You can edit your profile and be able to change your password if needed, as well as your PIN code. Once you make those changes, just go ahead and click Save or Validate. If you need more information, download and review the Vulcan User Guide. Thank you for joining this quick tutorial on how to use the Vulcan interface for users.